Now, if any of these interest you, I am going to share links in the description of where you can purchase all of these. And I did go ahead and make an Amazon idea list that has these items as well as even more. And I actually ordered more squishy food toys that haven't even arrived yet. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel because I'll be sharing those when they do arrive in the mail. But let's unbox these 8 ones first. All right, first up, let's unbox this dim sum squishy dumpling. Look how cute this little dumpling package is. Oh, blue squishy dumpling. Wow. This one is like, oh wow, it fits perfectly like in the palm of your hand for squishing. Oh, I could see why people like this. And look at the cute little face on this one. There's like something in the center, or maybe it's where it was filled up. Let's check it out. Okay, we'll put him back in his little container. Now let's unbox this second bao bun squishy. This is a rainbow mystery. What color will you get? Let's see, what color is it? Oh, pink. How cute. This one has a little face too. Hi. It's like a boy and a girl. This is a great little desk toy. I could see this being a great stress reliever when you're at your desk. It's like a perfect size shape for a hand for squeezing. Okay, we'll put her back in her little container. Okay, next, let's unpackage this bread. Whoa, this one has a super foamy texture. It's actually sticky. It feels like a piece of bread, especially the shape. Let's see what it's like when you squeeze it real tight. Oh, it's definitely what happens when you squeeze a piece of bread. And it looks like it's pretty slowly coming back. We'll let that one take its shape. Now let's unbox this colossal bread. Oh, it's like packaged like a loaf of bread. How cute. This is very realistic looking. Oh, wow, it smells like bread. Oh, it smells like the bread I made the other day. Oh, it's soft, slow rising. Let's take it and squish it. Oh, you can really squish it really small, probably. Wow, it smells sweet, like a sweet little loaf of bread. Okay, we'll let that one slowly rise. Okay, now let's do the butter. I can smell that bread still. It smells like a freshly squeezed loaf of bread. All right, this is a 4-ounce salted butter food squishy. So like a little sticky. Ooh, it's stretchy. Okay, let's stretch it real tight. Ugh. It's pretty satisfying to stretch because it feels like it wouldn't break. Oh, I just want to take it and squeeze it. Oh, this one, it smells slightly sweet, kind of like butter. It slowly takes its shape back. Actually, this one, it's slow, but it's also kind of fast, faster than the bread. Oh, the bread has taken back its full shape. All right. Ooh, it's like kind of sticky. I could see just putting this on my kitchen counter and walking by every once in a while and just giving it a little squeeze. I'm having to open all of these food squishies while the children are asleep because I figured they would probably just take them over. Okay, now let's do the food squishy banana. Oh, it smells like candy banana. It's about the same size as the butter, but a different shape. Ooh, perfect for squeezing in your hand. It's like the perfect squeezing shape. And the smell. And it comes back pretty quickly. That's a fun one. It smells really good. Okay, now the mango. Can you even see that? Oh, look at this. Whoa. Oh, it smells kind of like sweet mango. Oh, this one is really squishy. I could see why people like these. And it's sort of slowly coming back to its shape. It's not sticky, really, but it's really soft. Like it's very smooth and very soft, this one. All right, here's our last food squishy. This is a 6-pack of eggs. Now these come in clear, like this, or they come in white. And the white ones, when you squeeze them, you can see the inside like the clear. But they have a white external. Oh. What a wildly satisfying, cozy toy haul. Whoa, look at, this is really interesting. Look at this. I thought these would be fun to like throw on the ground. Oh, they're very bouncy. This is like a bouncy ball almost. Oh, these are so fun. These would make great gifts on Easter. Oh, these would make really great gifts actually for people. I'm trying to think of who I would give these to. I think my husband would like that butter. He'd probably enjoy just walking around, squishing and squeezing the butter. And I think I have some friends, their daughters would love these squishy dumplings. Mostly too because they come in like their own little house, which is really cool. It's kind of like a little hat too. And I think my favorite one is this one. This big loaf of bread. Because I bake a lot of bread and it really looks like a loaf of bread, but I could just squeeze it, which I don't want to do to the bread that I bake. And this one I would put on a plate that I'm serving food to someone as a gag gift. I'd say, order up. Probably prank one of my kids. And then this mango, this just smells like candy. I think the best smelling one was the bread loaf and then the banana. The butter had a nice smell. The butter was the stickiest. This one was the stickiest one. That was really fun. Thanks for unboxing these squishy food toys with me. This was actually a nice, relaxing evening treat of toys that I received in the mail that are just fun little pleasures to have and gift ideas. These eggs are really fun actually too. All right, well, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more cozy home finds. Bye.